My name is Lisa Dent. I am the Director of Public Programs here at the museum. I see some people coming in. Please feel free to enter whenever. There are some seats down here in front. It's just really wonderful to see all of you here at this important event. Higher Ed for All Coalition is rooted in creating a debt-free future for students in the Commonwealth attending public higher education. The event today will dig deeper into the positive impact that a debt-free future can have on the students of the Commonwealth, including the students of the Berkshires. And you might be wondering what me, an ex-artist, ex-curator, art educator, have to say about a debt-free future. Let's just say I wish I had one. My decision to study the arts brings me joy daily, but it has also come with more sacrifices than the next generation should have to face. Artists are often the students with special needs. We may not read like you, write like you, think like you, and we look at everything. And this often means we need time during and just after high school to find a place to thrive that we can afford. Not all parents are going to pay for that art school education. So our executive director, Christy Edmonds, sees that Mass MoCA has developed into a beacon of wonderment where interdependence and creative sustainability serves to elevate our communities and connect artists to generous and collaborative problem solving. A debt-free future will help students across interests and disciplines. This means not only more artists, but more architects, designers, more engineers, more doctors and lawyers who help to shape our society, address challenges, and seek solutions.